New hair, who dis? Hi guys, welcome back to my blog and channel. You're watching Lipstick and Laura and I'm Laura. It's so great to have you here. It is the long weekend here in Canada and I am going out with a friend for the day. I just wanted to do a really quick get ready with me because it has been a while since I've been in front of the camera and now I'm feeling a little bit more inspired and a little bit more creatively like unleashed. So I'm much more comfortable in front of the camera. I do also have a new camera, so that is great. I went and got a great deal on the T6i, so I have purchased that and now the quality of my videos is so much better. Also, instead of having the flip up screen, I have a flip out screen, so I'm constantly like looking at myself and I need to not. It has been a while since I've done much on the blog. So as to not get into too much detail because I really don't care to right now. Went through a bit of a domestic issue and we're not going to go into detail about that because it's done and over with and I am happy and safe and that is all that matters. So I am just about to go out with a friend and I just decided to film a really quick get ready with me. And I did get my hair cut. I got a cut at the beginning of April. I got bangs. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you don't know that. If you do follow me on Instagram, you know this. I got bangs and now because it's been almost 2 months, they're like in my eyes, but I'm not going to keep them. I'm actually growing them out because that was the whole plan to begin with, was I haven't changed my hair in like 5 years. So I was just gonna get bangs, be all cute with them and have a great time and then grow them out. And like now I'm sick of them because if you know me, you know that I don't like doing my hair. I don't like styling it. I just air dry my hair. So now that I need to do my hair every day, I have to blow dry and straighten my hair, and I knew this going in, but now I'm just kind of like, okay, I'm over it. I miss my curly wavy hair that I can just air dry and wear naturally. And it's that time of year too where like the curly and the beach waves and everything is super nice and super fun. So that is what is going on in my life, but let's just get right into this video. I'm sorry if I keep looking at the other screen. I'm just not used to this way of a screen. But yeah, let's just get right into the look. So if you want to get ready with me and you want to see how I achieve this look, please just keep watching. So I'm kind of just winging this. So we're just gonna pin back my hair here. And then you can get my full face. Some people don't put foundation on their forehead when they have bangs. I don't know what this piece is trying to do here. Trying to escape. Some people don't put makeup on their forehead when they have bangs, but I don't know. I feel like, what if I get annoyed with my bangs and then I want to put them up and then I have like half a face of makeup on? Clearly I'm struggling today. Like, what if I have like half a face of makeup on and then I put my bangs up and then I have like a weird line here? Like, I feel like that's weird. So I like to keep things consistent. We're gonna start with Becca Backlight Priming Filter, and this is just a really good primer. It's one of my favorites. I still have the travel size. I haven't run out yet, so I'm gonna buy the full size once I do. We're just gonna dab that on. And yeah, it's the first time I've filmed in front of a camera in a really long time. I want to say like a month and a half, 2 months. It's been a while. And it feels good to actually want to be in front of the camera again. I've been dealing with like such intense personal issues that I haven't really wanted to be in front of a camera or like doing much of that kind of stuff. Just kind of focusing my energy on some self-care and some self-love. And also this one smells, I don't know what the smell is, but it reminds me of something, and it kind of reminds me of like an old Victoria's Secret lotion that I used to have when I was like 16 years old, and I think it was called Amber or something. It smells good though. For foundation today, I spent a long time in the sun yesterday, so I'm a touch darker. I wore some SPF. I'm getting back in, like I'm starting to get into sunscreen a little bit more because I know that it's like I should take care of my skin, especially on my face. But I'm going to be using the Dior Forever Dior Skin Perfect Makeup Everlasting Wear Pore Refining Effect with Sunscreen Foundation. So that's what I'm going to be using. The color I have right now is 020. And it is a little bit darker than my normal winter foundation, so we're going to be using this one. It is, I think, more of a medium coverage. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's more of a medium coverage, and I don't want anything too heavy right now just because I am, even though I have like a little bit of a scarring here still. I'm pretty content with my skin, so I don't really want to cover it up too much. So we're just going to put it on our hands here. And I did a full review on this several months back, and I did really like it. I think I got this one from like a friend or something, and then I just never really used it, and I'm not sure why, because I actually do really like it. So we're just dabbing it on with our fingers here. And then we're going to go in with our beauty blender. Mine needs to be washed a little bit, but I don't care. And we're just going to go in with the end. This isn't even a beauty blender. This is the Real Techniques blending sponge. When I was in Buffalo, I got 12 of these for $25, and I got 2 packs of them. So I ended up getting 24 for $50. That's what it was. That was when I was in Buffalo, and I got it at Ulta, and I was just like, holy shit, this is a great freaking deal. So I got 2, and I think I'm good for blending sponges for a long time. I do really like beauty blenders, but I do really like this sponge. I find that it blends really nicely, and it's not as expensive. Like, I don't find there's a difference between the two of them. I know some people actually prefer this one to the beauty blender. I find them pretty, I don't know, pretty similar. I don't think there's a huge difference for me. And then I did not sleep well last night. It's a holiday, and I went for a run this morning at 6:30 in the morning. So I'm going to use the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector under my eyes here before I put on some concealer. And then we're just going to put that in and dab it in with our fingers. So we're going to use a full coverage concealer with Tarte Shape Tape. My color is light medium. I don't want anything that does the reverse raccoon eyes. It's not really my style. So we're just going to dab this in here. I don't want to use like too much, because I don't want to look like super chalky. Also, I think I just accidentally got that on my nose, but that's okay. And then back in with the blending sponge. I feel like I'm just this one spot though. The struggle is real today. Next we're going in with Sigma Tapered Highlighter Brush, the F35, and the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I've actually been using the Secret Brightening Powder a lot, but where I have the lighting concerned, I feel like it might get a little bit white underneath there. We're just gonna dab it in and knock off the excess, and then just dab it on here. Then I always do the T-zone just because I find with the warmer weather I get a little bit oilier. So then we're gonna go in again. I've been using the bronzer from here, the Too Faced Everything Nice palette. This is Christmas 2015 or 2014, I can't remember, from a long ass time ago. So we're gonna use this here, which is the Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I believe they still sell it. They might have reformulated it, but I already have it, so I'm not really buying anyone. And then we're gonna be using this massive Tarte brush that I always use for my bronzer. And we're just gonna bring it up and down. Just give it a little bit more warmth. So we're gonna go in with blush. The logo on my Milani Baked blush, because I use it so often, has now rubbed off, but this is Rose Doro, the Baked Powder Blush by Milani, my favorite. And then this is the Real Techniques blush brush that we're going to use for this. And we're just going to make our cheeks nice and rosy. And then of course we're going in with the Becca Highlighter Champagne Pop. I've been using this pretty regularly lately. It was funny, I just needed a highlighter and I was getting ready super quick for work, and then I put it on and I was like, oh shit, I forgot how much I love this color. So we're going to be using Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush. This is my favorite highlighter brush recently, and we're just gonna dab it in and light up your life. There we go. I feel like it's mildly aggressive, but I'm into it. And a little bit. Let me keep it put there. I still don't know what color lipstick I'm wearing, so I have to choose that soon. We're just gonna do a light wash of color on the eyes. I've been super into the original Too Faced Peach palette. So the colors that I'm gonna be using are this one here and then this one here. So I just kind of keep it like that. And then I'm going to be using Bellini as well. We're going to go in with the Sigma E40 tapered blending brush. And then this is just going to go in really nicely there. We're going to be using Puree from this palette here. And we're going to focus it more on the outside. We're just going to blend the shit out of that. And I feel like my battery's going to die. So that's cool. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. And we're just swishing it around in very circular motions because you want to blend it real well. So now we're going to go in, same brush, Sigma E40, and we're going to use the Summer Yum color right here. And then we're going to do about the same motion, just blending it in. Just to create this like warm, smoky-ish brown that I love so much. And then we're going to go in just with this small tapered eyeshadow brush and just put in some Bellini here. It's just a light wash. It's nothing too crazy. Maybelline Brow Drama into the eyebrows. And just a little tiny bit. And then we're going to curl the lashes and then just apply some mascara. And the mascara we're using today is the Essence Forbidden Volume. Again, another product that I've talked about on my favorites before. It's like a $4 mascara and it's really great. And you can actually see it in action here. I think for a lipstick, I'm gonna keep it light and glossy. So I think I'm just gonna do a lip liner and some lip gloss and keep it light and fun for spring. I need to find the lid to this. We're gonna use the Bite Beauty Lip Pencil in 020. we're just lining the lips and then we're gonna put a gloss over it and fill in with the lip liner. And then we're gonna go over that with one of my favorite nude lipsticks. This is my nude. This is Honeycomb, also by Bite, and I'm pretty sure these two colors are supposed to go together. I think I received them together like a really long time ago. I can't remember. It was from Influencer, the lip pencil, but I actually purchased this myself. And I'm just gonna go we'll do that. Oh, so creamy. And then we're just gonna cover that with some Butter Gloss by NYX in Madeline. And then of course we've got some Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. So I don't know how long I'm gonna be out later. So we'll just make it stay. I am going to go fix my bangs because I have a feeling that they're going to stick like this because it's been like this for a while. And then I'm going to be right back. I don't know what's going on with my autofocus. This is the final look. Also, my bangs are really annoying me. I have this like cowlick from having them pinned up. And it's really annoying. Also, they've now grown, so it's like kind of in my eyes. And like I'm okay with it. But they want to keep parting right here. It's annoying. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give a like, and I will see you guys in my next video.